Hey guys, welcome back to Clopabra family. I'm with this guy right here. Dang, that's good. That's good. Yeah, we are just taking a little bit walk. Me and my family. I got my son right here, myself, and my wife over there. But I don't know why she's running away from me. She says she doesn't want to be close to me because I'm too big.
No, you're right.
And
I
I don't know.
fast with a cane. I'm trying to exercise.
You're going to do what?
Exercise?
Why?
Exercising.
For what?
My feet. I don't want them to get swollen.
Is that how your doctor told you?
Yes, sir.
Or you are just saying because of saying?
Why would I just say something because of saying? I want to exercise. It's good for me.
Yeah, so this is Bowling Green, Kentucky, guys, Kentucky. So I've been living here for almost
6 years.
almost 6 years, and it's a beautiful place to live, guys. It's a peaceful place, no gangster stuff or whatever. So I'm just taking a nap. Oh no, not anyway. I don't
Seriously?
know. I don't know
You
why.
always like saying nap.
Yeah,
nap.
cause I was
When he's walking.
I was sleeping. By the way,
You were, but not anymore.
what do you mean,
Now you're walking.
Brayo? You wanna say something?
Brian,
Uh huh.
say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
All right. Okay, you wanna go in front? Go with Mama.
As you can see, we're at the park with my son, our son Brian. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Say, how are you doing?
How you doing?
Yeah. Do you know my son Brian has grown? He's almost 3 years now. Yeah, so
Right.
we're taking a walk all the way there because we're trying to exercise, walk around a little bit, lose some weight.
Yeah, especially I know these days I've been having like stomach. So,
No, you don't.
yeah, I'm trying to lose this belly-nish.
You don't. It's me. I have a big belly going
Hey
in
guys,
front.
you all have to decide who has big belly, me or her.
Take a good look at us. Look at him. Flat. Brian, come here.
So can I try to go in
Look at
there?
my son. No, I don't want you to get lost.
Okay,
in
try
there.
to hold the camera.
Nope.
Let me go in there.
No, babe. It's dark in there and there are holes.
Yeah, what?
Holes. You can.
But it's okay. You can just go in there and explore.
No.
I got this one. What does it say?
It says that nature.
Yeah, nature explore.
Yeah.
So that means I have to get in there and see what is inside, right?
Nope. It's
Yes.
dark, as you all can see. It's
So
dark. in
hold this. Let me see. Let me
there.
go.
Baby, it's dark.
Let me go see.
Alright.
Hey guys, like if you are going there, it's something bad. I don't know if but let me try to go inside.
Come.
Hey guys.
Right?
Brian, don't go there. Don't follow him. Ah. Brian, come on.
Brian,
What?
so you wanna go inside? Oh, you wanna go in there?
There.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
He says no.
No, you said yes.
Don't go there, God.
Say hello.
Hakuna hata kitu kule. There's only vidudu over there.
Let's go back. So that's good things about Bowling Green, guys. All of this is just a beautiful park.
Come on, Brian.
So you can just come here, you and your
Come
wife, and walk around. And I don't know. Kentucky ni sehemu nzuri ya kuja kutembelea for real. Kwa
We have
sababu.
good houses.
What else do you like about Kentucky?
Just the houses.
The houses.
And the parks, but come here.
Look at this, guys. Ooh. Oh, it's so beautiful. Wow. So what are you gonna tell our subscribers?
Share this video
And
and like, comment, and have a beautiful day.
So when do you expect to give birth? Is that birth or birth?
When am I due?
So yeah, when your due date?
In 4 weeks.
Or in 4 weeks from now?
Yep.
So I want you guys to guess. Is it a girl or boy? It's both.
Brian,
They are
come on.
twins. Yes.
Brian, is it a girl or boy?
Boy.
It's a boy. You want a boy or girl?
Girl.
Girl, you right? Team girl, yay!
Yeah.
I'm team boy. Hi.
Hey, this way. Hey, where you going?
No, just come this way. Hey,
So
Brian.
guys, I tried to call my son so I can hold his hand. Because they're walking, right? I don't want him to get far. And then he refused. But when his daddy called him, he came running and holding his hand.
So we're gonna try to do
Don't
that.
worry.
We're gonna try to do that again, okay?
Come here, Brian.
So
Come.
go over there and then I'm gonna stay
Take
right
this,
here.
guys. Come here. Hold me. Hold me. Come here. See? He doesn't want.
Okay.
Come to daddy. Look. Daddy's calling you. Come here. Brian.
Brian. Come here. No.
But you are going to him. Come here.
Come here.
Seriously.
He doesn't like me.
But he was just holding your hand a while ago.
That's not cool.
He just want to run. He thinks it's funny.
That's not good. As you can see, guys, my friend is stubborn. I'm just calling him, but he doesn't want to come to me. I don't know what's going on. Brian!
Brian.
Brian! Come here. We're about to...
Where are you going? The road is this way. On your mark.
Come here. On your mark.
On your mark.
On your mark. Ready?
Go. Run. Let's see who's faster, my son or my hubby. It's getting dark, guys. As you can see, it's getting real dark.
Yeah. Brian. Oh my God.
He's so fast. Look, my hubby is already tired. Brian, good job.
Player.
Good job, Brian.
Oh, you see running? No, you better come back.
Look at him go. Look at him. He's so far. Brian, come back. Come here.
What do you mean?
Guys,
what
we
should we-
walked all the way there until here. I'm already tired.
So what should we name our baby?
You guys type in the comment section, eh? Pick the names and pick the good one. That's it.
So how about we call it Gigi?
Huh? Gigi.
So what about if we call it Ginger Bell?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Look where your son is going. Brian, come back here.
Brian, come back here.
Brian,
Come here, Brian.
come here.
Brian. So who do you wanna become in future?
A singer.
A singer? You think we're gonna be making money?
Why not? With my pretty voice. God bless me with a voice. I'm not showing off, but I'm just calm. This Mungu atanipandisha in future. You know.
Yeah, na mimi nitakusupport kwa kuimba kwa sababu mimi I got good voice.
Guys, my husband can sing. Don't just see him eti anacheza soka, eti anaenda kwa kazi na basi. Anakuwaga na sauti nzuri ya wa malaika.
Aiza niwaimbie.
Hapana, not now.
God, yeah.
You're just singing that. That's not real.
But that's my voice. I know you all know me, so I'm professional.
Anakuwa naimba lakini you know.
Najua vyote
Brian,
hivyo.
come back
Kuimba,
here.
kucheza. Mimi navijuaga hivi.
Brian!